Hello, Wisdomatic Forms. Myself, Nandish, Faculty Advisor for the team Volante, Rama Institute of Technology, Bangalore.
Hello, Wisdomatic Form. Myself, Syed Amil Hassan, Captain of the team and Mechanical Engineering.
I'm Tejas P. Kundapur and I'm the Vice Captain of this team.
I'm Samyash, I'm in charge of the brake department.
Myself Tejas S and I'm in charge of steering department.
Myself Bhageshri, I'm electrical head.
I'm Shruti Savalwade, I'm in electrical department.
Now let's start with the safety set.
Driver's license,
Okay.
medical insurance,
Okay.
driver suit single layer,
Yeah, okay.
underclothing no other than fire resistant or 100% cotton.
Okay.
Helmet, closed face helmet that meets any of the following certifications is acceptable.
Okay.
Gloves, fire resistant material, no holes.
Okay.
Shoes, standards like SFI 3.3, FIA 8856-2000.
Okay.
Driver's blood group,
O positive and
driver training status,
okay. So,
wheelbase 40 to 54 inches,
$41 inches. Okay.
material minimum cross section of 1 inch and wall thickness of 1.25 to 2 mm.
Okay.
Ground clearance minimum 1 inch, maximum 4 inch.
Okay.
Track width must be no less than 75% of the wheelbase of the vehicle.
$36 inches.
Turning radius of vehicle must not be greater than 3 meters.
Okay.
Floor pan used by students must be of metal only with minimum thickness of 0.5 mm.
Okay.
Floor pan must be welded or bolted to the frame with rubber washers to reduce vibration and noise.
Okay.
Holes made must not be greater than 6 mm.
Okay.
Take care that no debris enters into the vehicle.
Okay.
Nothing should be below the floor like wire, fluid line, etc.
Okay.
Toe point should be highlighted with orange color so that it can be identified from a distance.
Not it.
Pull and push bar, detachable pull and push for 1 or 2 people.
Not okay.
Steering suspension brake. Steering system, it must have a positive steering stopper that prevents steering linkage from locking up.
Okay.
Steering play up to 7 degrees is acceptable.
Okay.
Steering rod of minimum OD 18 mm is required.
Okay.
Pedal, a proper stopper should be provided to the pedal.
Okay.
Pedal must be made of mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium.
Okay.
After removal of force, the pedal must come to its original position with any external assistance.
Okay.
Brake light must glow when the brake pedal is being operated.
Okay.
Brake must be operated by a single control. Electronics braking system is not allowed.
Okay.
The bleed nuts must not be directed towards ground.
Okay.
There should be no leakage allowed from any fuel line.
Okay.
80/50 mm brake light with rigid mounts.
Okay.
Brake light must be visible from 3 meter even in bright sunlight.
Okay.
The steering rod and its parts must be linked with proper fasteners and joints.
Okay.
The steering wheel must have a continuous perimeter that is near circular or near oval.
Okay.
Kill switch. 2 kill switches must be present in the driver compartment.
Yes.
One for driver in any emergency situation and other one for external persons on the left side of the vehicle near the firewall or roll hoop.
Okay.
Reverse light and alarm. If vehicle can do reverse movement without the help of pull rod, then it must have a reverse light.
Okay.
Firewall. Firewall material to be used must fulfill required specifications.
Okay.
If using aluminium, minimum thickness should be 3 mm, and if using MS, must not be less than 0.5 mm.
Okay.
At least 2-inch gap should be there between the driver's seat and firewall.
Okay.
Firewall and engine must maintain 1-inch gap.
Okay.
Firewall should cover engine head motor with minimum clearance of 4 inches.
Okay.
Driver's seat. It should be rigidly mounted at 4 points with a dampener to avoid vibrations.
Okay.
Sufficient gap between steering wheel and driver must be available.
Okay.
Driver's seat should be at least 2 inches away from the firewall.
Okay.
Only bucket type seat allowed.
Okay.
Teams must use dry battery pack or cell.
Okay.
Proper rigid mounting should be made for battery.
Okay.
Battery should be covered to avoid damage that may cause due to water or any other means.
Okay.
Exhaust system. Exhaust must be covered with fire resistant material. Bot. Brake over travel switch must be present behind the brake pedal.
Okay.
In case of brake failure, bot must be accessible to the driver.
Okay.
Fasteners. Fasteners must be of 8.8 grade or above.
Okay.
At least 3 more threads should be there after engagement of nut.
Okay.
Use of lock nut is prescribed.
Okay.
Only Allen bolt must be used.
Okay.
Fire extinguisher. Teams are prescribed to carry 2 fire extinguishers, each one at least 1 kg with ABC. One
Okay.
must be installed on the vehicle and one with the crew.
Okay.
The team should come from validity certificate and bill for the same.
Okay.
Chain guard. Chain guard must cover the complete chain.
Not yet.
Chain couldn't be accessible without removal of guard.
Not yet.
Engine body works and other. Minimum required body works front vehicle stand. Minimum required body works refer T.13 front body works and side body works L&R rear body works.
Not yet.
Vehicle stand. Team must make a portable cart stand with 4 wheels.
Okay.
The height of the stand from the ground must not be less than 30 inches.
Okay.
Electrical. Motor type.
DC motor.
Maximum power.
DC watt.
Maximum voltage.
60 volt.
60 volt.
Controller. It should be programmed to run the motor not more than 80 km per hour in forward direction and 15 km per hour in reverse direction.
Okay.
The controller should be provided with blinking LED to denote the working of the controller and should also show the color change of LED for system failure.
Not yet.
Not
Battery pack. Maximum battery pack voltage 144 volts.
Okay.
Maximum capacity of pack 150 ampere hour.
Okay.
Maximum and minimum battery pack voltage of individual cells.
4.6 and 4.7. Okay.
Battery container insulators. All high voltage components, battery cells, fuses should be insulated by fixed covering that may be waterproof, steel, aluminium by means of weld or positive fasteners.
Okay.
Battery management system.
There.
Charger. Input for charger should be 100 to 220 volt, 50 to 60 hertz.
Okay.
Reverse indication. The card should be provided with reverse indication light.
Okay.
Okay.
It should also have sound to ensure reversing of the card.
Okay.
There.
Okay.